Welcome to Efficiency Hunters, where we help homeowners discover ways to save energy and money. Today, home energy advisor Alexis is helping Sarah save without spending in her 1970s ranch-style home.
We're going to show Sarah and you some quick and easy no-cost tips for improving your home's energy efficiency. Should we start in the kitchen?
Let's do it.
Let's start with the refrigerator. First, make sure the temperature of your refrigerator is set between 35 and 39 degrees Fahrenheit, and keep your freezer between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you want to clean your refrigerator coils. They get covered in dust and other particles, which make it harder for your refrigerator to stay properly cooled. When it's time to push your refrigerator back in, make sure you don't push it all the way up against the wall. This will help with better air circulation and efficiency.
That all seems easy enough.
This is one time when the more dirty dishes you have, the better. Bump up your energy efficiency and only run the dishwasher when it's full. A full dishwasher actually uses less energy than hand washing dishes.
Really?
Absolutely. Okay, I want to point out one more thing in your kitchen. Your sink is another great place to save money and energy. By installing an aerating low-flow faucet, you can actually lower your utility bill. And don't forget your bathroom sinks and your shower head too.
Love it.
Tasty ideas for saving energy in the kitchen. Catch all the episodes of Efficiency Hunters for more ways to lower your energy bill and be more energy efficient. Till next time.